Muthuswamy from Johannesburg, South Africa. எங்க அது புருஷோத்தமன் அந்த புக்லெட் கொடுங்க. வாங்க மிஸ்டர் கார்த்திக், அந்த இது கொடுங்க, புக் கொடுங்க.
Mr. Karthikeyan Muthuswamy, business leader, South Africa.
Vanakkam. This is a very important session for our organization and the Tamils network from all over the world. The community networking through Chamber of Commerce, Professional Association, temple committees and community organization. This session will give a very important role on bring Tamils together for economic development. Throughout the world, we have a cultural association, language association, temple committee and Chamber of Commerce. Temple committee making a very big effort all over the world. The Murugan Temple Committee, then Shiva Temple Committee, then Vinayaka Temple Committee, then General Hindu Temple Committee, South Indian Temple Committee. I seen all over the world the Temple Committee playing a very major role. In America, in New York, the Temple Committee is running a very big temple complex, including Kalyana Mandapam and canteen and many other facilities in New York. They are doing wonderful service. Like that, in Sydney, in Kuala Lumpur Mariamman Temple Committee doing wonderful service. Similarly, in South Africa, Mr. Karthik Muthuswamy taken me to Johannesburg and I visited their temple committee premises, and also every Sunday they are making a very good effort to bring all the community people together. And they are taking a special prayer and also to learn some of the Tamil words every Sunday through various speakers. They brought Oduvar from Kumbakonam. He is doing wonderful service to teach Tamil songs, especially devotional songs for them to learn Tamil as well as keep Tamil language. Through that network, they can meet each other and develop their relationship and friendship and go further for their networking in South Africa. Similarly, I seen in London, lot of temple committees playing a very major role to Murugan Temple, very popular. Last visit, I went the Murugan Temple, invited by the temple committee. They organized a special meeting for the economic conference, and they invited 200 people in the Murugan Temple hall, and they organized a wonderful dinner, vegetarian dinner for there. Everywhere, the canteen have wonderful facilities in London, in Sydney Murugan Temple, then Kuala Lumpur Mariamman Temple. That is why we have a separate session always. Every first conference, second conference, we created this conference to create a networking among our Tamil brothers and sisters all over the world. This committee can take further to strengthen themselves, to create a confederation, and someone like Karthik Muthuswamy will take necessary steps to contact all over the world the Tamil temple committee people together to constitute a separate organization to networking themselves. They can play a very major role. Professor Palani Perisamy told long time back, you must include for temple committee because of the temple committee they can playing a very major role in America. That is the reason we changed some of the topics also. We invited the Malaysian Minister Saravanan to come and talk about this topic. Due to the Malaysian Parliament on, the Malaysian Minister, nobody will come to this conference, but they sent a huge delegation to participate in this conference. Then Sodan Nachiyar is very active in our conference. He sent a video message. Actually, today I received through his WhatsApp message. He is unable to come, and he sent, if possible, please play that video message. And I am very happy to play his message. You are hearing?
Good evening to everybody on the dais and off the dais and the delegates of World Tamil Economic Conference, Durban. This is Choda Nachiyar Rajashekar from Tamil Nadu, South India, the Indian subcontinent. I convey my sincere appreciation to Mr. V.R.S. Sampath for organizing this 4th World Tamil Economic Conference at Durban. He is taking efforts and traveling all over the world and meeting so many delegates, ministers, officials and speakers, special guests, everybody, for making this conference successful. His hard work now yielding fruit to the Tamil business community, the entire world, for commerce and trade. I also convey my sincere thanks and appreciation to Mr. Logi Naidu, who is fully supporting this organization conference in Durban from the beginning onwards. I salute the South African nation and its people for making Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi as Mahatma Gandhi of our nation and father of our nation. He is instrumental in starting the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce in India after he left South Africa for promoting trade and industry. It is right to recognize and remember him on this occasion. The South African leader Nelson Mandela awarded the Mahatma Gandhi Peace Prize and the Bharat Ratna, the highest recognition from the central government of India. The South Africa and India has a very long-standing relationship and so many bilateral trade agreements and free trade agreements between the countries. 1/3 of the imports of gold bullion from the South Africa to India is happening every year. And India is the sixth largest trade partner of South Africa. And we are processing the diamonds from the African mines. The bilateral trade volume and the value increased for so many $1 billion, that is 15 billion US dollar in the year 2010 to $20 billion targeted for the next year 2018 by Narendra Modi and the South African government recently when he visited South Africa. The Tamil Chamber of Commerce going to celebrate its 75th year Platinum Jubilee in the next year, which was started by the first Finance Minister of India, Dr. R.K. Shanmugam Chettiar, in the Nehru government in the year 1944. The Tamil Chamber of Commerce promoting trade, commerce, industries and watch over the safeguard and the general community interest, commercial trade interest of Tamils engaged in commerce, industries, trade in India and all over the world globally. For your information, the important occasion I want to share with you this Bretton Woods Conference USA. In order to achieve the cooperation of money matters, stable exchanges, and the expansion of international trade, 44 nations of our world met in Bretton Woods Conference in USA in the year 1944, in which our R.K. Shanmugam Chettiar participated on behalf of the Indian government. After the deliberation in this conference only, the world two premier organizations, World Bank and the IMF, International Monetary Fund, formed. So the Tamil Chamber of Commerce, having the pride and small contribution in the formation of two famous institutions, IMF and the World Bank. Now coming to this community network of business and trade. The community networking for business and trade is not only started now only at the present era with all this modern invention of computers, internet and our every other modern gadgets and equipments. But before 2000 years, before this British invasion and other regimes came into forces, the Chola dynasty 1000 years before sent so many business delegations to various countries to develop bilateral relationship in those days without any modern technology. Rajaraja Chola and Rajendra Chola, the king of Chola dynasty, built their own ships, improved the maritime trade with business delegations and seafarers' talent, used all this to develop the maritime trade and also protected the Indian maritime trade from the sea pirates. Even now in Somalia, the sea piracy is existing now in all over the world. But 1000 years before, they took the initiative to solve these issues by forming a powerful naval base and maintaining so many ports for imports and exports in those days. The Chola dynasty king Kulothunga Cholan has the title awarded as Sungam Tavirtha Cholan in Tamil. That means the giving exemption for customs duty and maintaining, implementing the free port policy 1000 years before. Now only we are talking about these policies, but the Tamil business community, the Chola dynasty is the pioneer in this field of free port policy and exemption of customs duty. Now coming to this concluding remark, on behalf of the Tamil Chamber of Commerce, I am putting forward and suggesting the conference organizers to have a Tamil Entrepreneurs Bank for a Tamil origin business community people to develop their business, trade and commerce all over the world. We are having so many expertise in the banking knowledge and industries. We only started the Indian Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, and taken over by the central government after the nationalization of banks by the Indira Gandhi, the former Prime Minister of India. The Tamilians started these banks. We are having a very much knowledge about this banking, finance and other related activities of commerce and trade, which is a bank which is the most essential. So I suggest to open a bank of Tamil Entrepreneur Bank, which will promote the existing commerce and trade people, startup and new technocrats for funding them, financing them and improve their skills and talents in developing the trade commerce by the Tamil community. We can issue public issues, collect funds from the Tamil business community all over the world to establish this bank. This is a dream which come to a reality if all the Tamil business community is going to share, pool the resources to create such a bank for Tamils. I suggest and request the organizers and the delegates of this conference to pass a resolution to open, to establish a bank for Tamils, Tamil Entrepreneur Bank, to promote trade and industry, because the aim of the World Tamil Economic Conference itself is to promote trade and commerce and community networking of Tamil businessmen all over the world. So I request once again to pass this resolution by all the peoples anonymously to start this bank. I once again convey my appreciation and thanks for the organizers, Mr. V.R. Sampath and his associates, and Mr. Logi Naidu, the central government of India, the state government of Tamil Nadu, and the speakers, sponsors, and guests, delegates, and press and media who covered all these programs, which is the historical event, the World Tamil Economic Conference, which will sure give boost to the Tamil business community and creating a very rich, economically rich Tamil business community all over the world. I once again thank you for everybody. Jai Hind.
Thank you to Mr. Choranachya Rajashekhar for leaving with us with a lovely request, which I'm sure all the right people have heard it, and I'm sure it will reach where it needs to. We are continuing with the session. Coming together is the beginning, staying together is the progress, and working together is a success, which forms the core value of a community. And we have Mr. Jacob Ravi Balan, who is He's doing a lot of work related to community in the UK, and we are really, really privileged for him to be here to be talking about community networking through Chamber of Commerce, professional associations, temple committees, and community organizations.